Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your your TikTok problem. To know how to fix or how to solve your TikTok keeps closing or stopping, should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can make errors or problems on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.